Hey, let's talk void replacements again. Let's talk about something sweet. You know, had to go back a long time ago, but when I would drive to school in the morning, high school, Cass High School, I went to Cass High School in North Georgia, be driving to school, had to pull over and get one of them Little Debbie oatmeal pies for the morning. No wonder I gained weight, ended up over 300 pounds, but I love those cream-filled oatmeal pies. What about you? So what am I going to do? Am I going to give them up? Well, number one, as you go through Fast Track, you're going to learn that you can have holidays, right? You can have those. You can have those in the weight loss phase. You can have them 6 times each month. When you get out of weight loss phase and you're in maintenance phase, you can have them up to 12 times a month. Not that you would want them 12 times a month, but you could as long as all your other days were perfect. But what if I'm wanting something like an oatmeal pie and I still want to have a perfect day? You're right. I found a void replacement for that too. You have got your Flex oatmeal pie. Yes, I've already gotten into this one. You've got your chocolate. You've got your regular oatmeal and their cream filled. Look at this thing. I hate to show you a half-eaten thing, but look at that. Look at that deliciousness. Oh my goodness. And this is approved on the program. You could have this thing as a meal episode, and it's very filling. It's not like a regular oatmeal pie that jacks up your blood sugar and accelerates your appetite. This shuts your appetite down. Or you could have half of it, which is still a lot, so a big oatmeal pie, as a snack on the Shibboleth program. So another void replacement. We're getting rid of the Little Debbie, the oatmeal pie, and the chocolate oatmeal pies. And we've got a great replacement, high protein, that's going to help shut down the fat bus. Nobody says I'm